How to delete watch history on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your entire watch history within the TikTok app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the TikTok app, then select Profile in the bottom menu to navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu, and then select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, scroll down, and we just want to select Activity Center. Then in Activity Center, select Watch History. So now you'll see a full history of your watch history on TikTok. We can delete either individual videos from our watch history, or we can delete our entire watch history by first selecting Select in the top right. Then you can choose individual videos and select Delete to remove those from your watch history. Or if you want to delete your entire watch history, after selecting Select All Watch History in the bottom left, and then select Delete. And this will clear your entire watch history from the past 180 days. So select Delete. You'll then go to a screen where it says No Watch History Available, and you have now deleted your entire watch history on TikTok. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.